Do you want to start your LLC with Bizee but are struggling with the overall setup? Well, then this video is perfect for you, because today I will walk you through step by step on how to format your LLC with Bizee, formerly known as Inkfile. Now, to get started, head over to the Bizee website. If you do want to support me for completely free, you can use my affiliate link to Bizee down below. Either way, right here, as you can see, basically Bizee states that you can launch your LLC in minutes. The only thing which you will have to do is to actually put in the entity. For us, this would be an LLC, but you are actually also going to have S Corp, C Corp, and non-profit available. And then as for the actual state, make sure to actually pick the state where you do want to file your LLC in. Now, this doesn't necessarily have to be the state where you live in. Either way, just pick the state right here. Based on the state which you're going to choose, you will have to pay a state fee. This ranges from, I think, anywhere around $300, like Texas, for example, to $50. This is just going to come down to the actual state where you are actually going to file your LLC in. In my case, I'm just going to go with a random example. I'm going to choose Illinois, and I'm then just going to click on Start My Business. Now, the actual process is going to be exactly the same no matter which state you are going to pick. So right here, Bizee is basically going to offer us 3 different packages. First of all, the basic plan. This is going to be the completely free package, as well as a standard plan, as well as a premium plan. Now, one thing which I really like about Bizee is that even on the basic, on the free plan, they are going to give you guys a free 1-year registered agent service. More on that in just a second, but this is basically a pretty nice feature, given you will have to pay $0 for this. Either way, let's quickly go through the pricing. As you can see, the basic plan is going to be pretty limited, to be completely honest. I basically always recommend to go for the standard plan. Why? Well, this is going to give you guys quite a lot of other great features, like the business tax number, the operating agreement, and these features are just must-have in my opinion. And if you are going to go for the basic plan, you will have to do a lot of the manual work on your own. Now, additionally, the standard plan is actually also going to have the IRS form 2553, which you would have to otherwise pay $50 for. And if you are in a hurry and if you do want to have some more features, you can even go for the premium plan. But in my case, I'm just going to go for the standard option, and as you can see, the $154 for the state fee is basically always going to be added onto this, because you can't go around this. You will have to pay this no matter what, even if you would manually file your LLC. This is just a fixed cost which you will have to pay. So once you've chosen your plan, click on Get Started right here, and then first of all, you will have to put in your company information. As for the LLC name, please make sure to actually double check if this LLC is available in your state. So make sure to double check if there are any trademarks around your LLC name, or if there are any LLCs which do have a similar name. I will leave you a link down below to double check this. Either way, in my case, I'm just going to name this Elias Krause LLC, or let's just name this Krause Media. And then as for the designator, we will actually have to add this. You're going to have LLC, L.L.LC, and then limited liability company. In my case, I'm just going to go with LLC. And it doesn't really matter too much which you're going to pick here either way. So let's just click on next, and then we will have to go for the state filing time. Now on the premium plan, the 3 weeks filing time is going to be included. However, if you are in a hurry and if you do want to get your LLC as soon as possible, then you can actually also go for the 2-day business day filing time right here, which is going to cost you an additional $150. So either way, just click on next. And then we will actually have to put in the contact person. So in this case, this is going to be myself. I'm just going to put in all of my basic details. Then we will have to put in the company address information. In our case, Illinois does actually not require businesses to use an in-state address. However, for basically, I think all states, PO boxes are not allowed. So make sure to actually put in your street address where you do want to have your company located. Next step would be to actually insert the members information. So essentially right here, you will just have to select how many people are going to be involved in your LLC and how many people are going to have a percentage of your company. In my case, I'm just going to go with 1 person, myself. However, if we would select multiple people, we could then actually also individually select the percentage of ownership for each of the members. In my case, I'm just going to go for a single ownership, and I'm then going to select my personal details right here, and I'm going to click on next. Now the next step would be to actually go to actually set the registered agent information. Now, what is a registered agent, you may ask? Well, basically by law, you are going to be required to have a person in the state where you are going to register your LLC to handle all of the legal documents, all of the state correspondence, and so on. Now, you can actually do this on your own. However, I wouldn't recommend it because first of all, it is just going to be additional work for you. And secondly, if you are going to be your own registered agent, all of the information about you, so your name, surname, address, and so on, are going to be completely public. So oftentimes, assigning a registered agent service is going to be the go-to for most people forming an LLC. And Bizee does actually allow you to assign Bizee as a registered agent for completely free for the first year. So I would actually recommend you to take advantage of this. Even if you do want to update this in the future, you can always do. And I think after this year, it is something like, $119 per year. So in my opinion, it is definitely worth the price. And for the first year, it is going to be completely free. Either way, now click on next. And then we will have to basically put in our IN/tax identification number information. Now, basically by law, if you are going to fill out an LLC, you are going to be required to have an IN. Now, an IN essentially is just the social security number of your company. So in this case, we will just have to go through all of the questions, and we will then actually also have to put in our SSN right here. Then once you've filled out all of your data, Bizee is then automatically going to reach out to your state to obtain the IN for you, which is going to save you quite a lot of time. So just click on next, and then basically if you don't already have a small business banking, you can use Relay right here, but I'm just going to click on Ask Me Later as I'm not really interested in that offer. And then Bizee is actually going to offer you a tax strategy / free consultation. This is going to be completely free, and basically by doing this, you can learn how your LLC is taxed, business bookkeeping requirements. So if these points sound important to you, or if it is your first time formatting an LLC, then I would recommend you to actually go for this free business tax consultation. Either way, just click on next, and right here you can then actually also select if you do need additional help with the business licenses and permits. This is going to come down to the actual company and niche which your company is in, and because some niches are going to require special permits, special business licenses, and so on. And for some other ones, it isn't really that important altogether. So make sure to make this decision on your own. I'm just going to click on no thank you, I'll do it myself. And then we are going to get an order summary. Make sure to always double check if everything is right inside here. In my case it is, so the next step would be to actually fill in our billing information, and then that's basically it. Depending on which package you've chosen. If you still need additional help, you can always call Bizee right here. And if you do want to support me for completely free, once again, you can use my affiliate link to Bizee down below.